You know, numbers have never been my strong suit, right, Eddie?
Yes.
And you know, numbers are your strong suit, right, Eddie?
Yes.
So why, Eddie, do I have to hear about my trusted bookie stealing $1,500 from me?
I didn't.
Damien, get Butch. Butch, Damien.
No. Okay. Okay. I have been stealing some money from you. I'm sorry.
It's okay, Ed. As long as you know this isn't something I take lightly.
I do. I really do.
Damien, please release Eddie. Clean off Butch when we get back. Hector never takes too long, so... What the hell, Damien? What the hell's the matter with you, Damien? Stop!
I really liked Eddie, Ma!
Oh, Damien, not this stupid shit
It's
again.
not stupid. He was my friend.
He was your friend? Richie was your friend. Even that little rat Nathan was your friend. And he was a fucking rat. That's the nature of this business. And that nature's in your blood. Your father would have...
I don't want to hear about Pops, okay? I know he was a tough bastard.
The toughest. You know how many times the Santelli family had to shoot that son of a bitch before he went down?
26.
Yes, 26 fucking times.
That was Pops, not me. And maybe if you could give a shit about the kind of person I want to be, you could see that I don't want to grow up to be an emotionally walled-off statue who is only able to bond with her son over ordering him to bash people's heads in with a fucking baseball bat.
Ma, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it.
You meant it. And you're right. I'm a fucking horrible mother.
No, you're a terrific mother. I've just been feeling frustrated.
You should be able to say that to me. Especially if I'm the frustration. When was the last time I even told you I was proud of you?
I gotta go find a dumpster. Everything dandy in here?
It's fucking peachy. Can you give us a minute, man?
What's the problem?
It's me, Hector. I'm the fucking problem.
Ma, it's okay if we don't have the closest relationship in the world.
Yeah. And you're admitting there's a problem, so that's half the battle.
Right, and now we can build on this, okay? And honestly, how ignorant of me to forget how you single-handedly, when Pops was killed, I mean, she kept the gang together. You took on twice the bullshit, and you raised me. I mean, who does that?
I'll tell you, this fucking strong-willed woman right here.
Right, Mom, and I will always be damn proud of you for showing me that you should never let any bullshit get in your way. No fucking excuses.
You mean that?
Absolutely, Ma.
Boys, let's pretend this episode never happened.
I was just looking for a dumpster. I got no clue what you're talking about, Miss Rosie.
You want Eddie's bookie job?
Yes, for the love of Mother Mary.
I love you, Damien.
One step at a time.
Okay. I think it becomes more natural the more
Yeah,
we say it.
we'll ease into it.
Okay.